Democracy is not just a form of government, it is a way of life. Introduction. Democracy is often described as the rule of the people, by the people, and for the people. While it is conventionally understood as a system of governance characterized by free elections, checks and balances, and civil liberties, democracy transcends mere institutional frameworks. At its heart, democracy is a philosophy, a way of living that respects diversity, fosters dialogue, upholds dignity, and empowers citizens to participate in collective decision-making. It is both a political system and a social ethos. Democracy beyond ballot boxes. Many equate democracy with periodic elections and majority rule. While these are its essential pillars, they are not sufficient to make a society democratic in spirit. A true democracy is built on the values of tolerance, equality, justice, and freedom. It is a continuous process of engaging with different perspectives, negotiating differences, and ensuring inclusion of all voices, especially the marginalized. The democratic ethos manifests in everyday behavior, how we listen, how we disagree, and how we include others in decision-making, whether in a family, workplace, or nation. Historical foundations and global significance. From the Athenian model of direct democracy to modern constitutional democracies, the concept has evolved through struggles, revolutions, and reform movements. The French Revolution gave us the ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity. The American Revolution emphasized representative governance and rights. And India's independence movement, under Gandhi's leadership, highlighted participatory democracy rooted in nonviolence and inclusivity. Today, democracy remains the preferred political system in most of the world, not just for its structure, but because it provides space for freedom and dignity. Democracy in India, a living tradition. India is the world's largest democracy, not just in size but in the richness of its democratic practices. Despite its diversity in language, religion, and culture, democracy has functioned as the thread uniting the Indian mosaic. The Constitution of India guarantees fundamental rights, separation of powers, universal adult franchise, and decentralization through Panchayati Raj institutions. Democracy in India is visible not only in parliament but also in vibrant media, active civil society, and public protests. Yet, its success lies not only in laws but in the democratic temperament of its citizens. Challenges to democracy. Despite its strengths, democracy faces serious threats. Populism and authoritarianism, elected leaders using democratic means to undermine democratic institutions. Disinformation and media manipulation, technology being used to polarize rather than inform. Voter apathy and political cynicism, when citizens disengage, democracy becomes hollow. Economic inequality, when wealth concentrates, power follows, distorting democratic processes. Even in democracies like India and the US, growing intolerance and divisive politics challenge the democratic way of life. Democracy requires constant vigilance and active participation. Democracy as daily practice. Democracy begins at home and in community spaces. It is reflected in respecting others' opinions, promoting equality in gender and caste, and standing up for justice in everyday acts. Schools, workplaces, and families should embody democratic values such as listening, cooperation, and consent. Mahatma Gandhi envisioned Gram Swaraj, self-reliant villages where people govern themselves. This was democracy at its most grassroots and meaningful level. The way forward, deepening democratic culture. To strengthen democracy, we must Educate citizens about constitutional values and civic responsibilities. Promote decentralization and participatory governance. Foster media literacy and critical thinking. Address social and economic inequalities. Encourage youth engagement and dialogue across differences. Democracy is not a finished product, but an evolving practice that must be renewed with each generation.